In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. If you never used it before, select Settings in the pop-up and click on grey switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click on the back button or at the top left corner. Before starting recording, use those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and manage all of those however you want to, like recording mode. When you're ready, go back and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the second one. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic. To discard it, select X on the left, and to save it and add it on the check mark on the right. If you wish to end your recording and save it right away, click on Save at the top right corner. To delete it though, click on Cancel at the top left one. Now it's time to name your recording and hit Save in the pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options below, like those sliders and those scissors. To save any changes, hit Save at the top right corner. Then hit Save in the pop-up. If you wish to rename one of your recordings, hold the chosen one. Tap on Rename at the bottom. Type in wherever you want to and hit Save. To delete it, hold it again, but this time choose Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!